Hello, hi guys! Magandang gabi sa inyo lahat. This is Jim from Masigari Channel, a faith healer, also matarder. So ngayong gabing tatingin natin na nagsabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is a special gabay for the month of November 6 hanggang November 15 for the sign of Cancer. So, Cancer, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, as brigade sa ating masasagap for today's video? Kanino naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Cancerians ang ating mahagilap? So, guys, this reading is a reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the question bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik-liglig na gumapaw man na balik sa inyong biyaya. So guys, kumapit-kapit ka na, ito na mensahe sa iyo ng ating mga gabay for the sign of Cancer. Angel Spirit messages for the sign of Cancer. Umpisahan na natin for special gabay. Angel Spirit Guides, give me the information. There's a King of Wands. Visions. Kumbaga, talasan mo daw ang iyong visions, na? Kumbaga, may mga bagay o pasilip ka nakikita. Kumbaga, magkaroon ka ng stability and control, no? Kumbaga, King of Wands is stability and control. Kumbaga, there's a Six of Wands, there's a victory and success. Magtatagumpay ka raw, kailangan mo raw kontrolin yung emotions mo. And of course, there is a Chariot card, taking actions, no? Kailangan mong kumilos, gumalaw. And of course, there's a Ten of Pentacles, there's a long-term success and long-term investment. So, ibig sabihin dito, what you need to do is take an action. And of course, there's a Knight of Cups, there's an offer, proposal, email, or messages na magdadala sa'yo ng good karma, no? There's a karma, or some of you baka karmahin yung mga taong gumawa sa'yo ng hindi maganda. So, let's see what is the King of Wands. What is the King of Wands? What is the King of Wands? There's a magician. There's a manifestation. See? There is a vision into reality, or there's a desires into reality. May mga bagay na, kumbaga, kung ano yung pumapasok sa isip mo, or imaginations mo, maaaring mamamanifest mo siya. So, what is the Six of Wands? There is a Three of Pentacles. Collaboration, trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay. Na sinasabi sa'yo dito, magsasucceed ka, no? What is a Chariot card? There is a Six of Cups. Ibig sabihin dito, there's a first person coming back, no? Maaaring puntahan ka ng iyong ex or something ng iyong person. And because there is an Ace of Swords, kumaga magkakaroon ka ng mental clarity, a breakthrough, tagumpay pagdating sa larangan ng finances or relasyon. Magkakaroon ka daw ng long-term success and long-term investment with a solid foundation and solid investment. So, let's see what is the Knight of Cups. Okay, there's a Eight of Cups. So, i-let go mo, no? Kumaga, there is a walking away or something kailangan mong, itong offer na to ay, wag mong palalagpasin. So, let's see what is the karma. Let's see what is the karma. There's a Page of Cups. Listen to your intuitions and listen to your gut feeling. Maaaring talaga nagkakaroon ng spiritual attack or something na bumabalik sa taong gumagawa lahat ng mga negatives na gawa niya. And because there is an Ace of Pentacles, baka there's a manifestation, and of course there's a visions. Kumbaga natanaw mo na magkakaroon ka ng long-term success and long-term investment with a big money and big opportunities. O maaaring makabili ka ng bahay sa sasakyan. So let's see what is the Six of Wands and the Three of Pentacles. What is the Six of Wands and the Three of Pentacles? So, there's a Four of Wands. There's a celebrations, a twin flame energy or wedding. So, some of you guys, magkakaroon ka ng kasal or wedding or something binyagan na magaganap or magdadala sa'yo dito ng tagumpay with trabaho or negosyo. So, what is the Chariot and the Six of Cups? There's a Four of Swords. Listen to your intuition and listen to your gut feeling. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, ito ang sanhi ng kaubusan ng finances mo. Siya ang nagdulot ng kahirapan mo. Kumbaga, itong tao na to ay babalik para, kumbaga, ubusin ulit yung pinaghirapan mo. So, ganon. So, kaya kailangan maging wise ka na. So, what is the thought? Ten of Pentacles and the Ace of Swords. So, ibig sabihin, there's the Hangman. Baguhin mo yung perspective, baguhin mo yung pananaw and mindset mo, no? Kumbaga, kailangan maging wise at listo ka na. Dapat alam mo kung saan ka kung saan yung magiging grounds mo. And of course, there's a King of Swords, being wise and being practicality. So, sinasabi dito na kailangan let go mo yung mga bad habit or toxicities or an offer, no? Kumbaga, baka may offer dyan na gastos or something na kailangan mo i-let go. And of course, there's a Five of Wands. So, ibig sabihin dito, sabi ko na itong karma na to, at makinig ka sa intuition mo, maaaring kinakarma na sila with the Five of Wands, na nagbigay sa'yo ng komplikado, ngayon sila na ang nagkakaroon ng complicated, no? So, let's see what is the outcome. Let's see what is the outcome. What is the outcome? Ang pinaka-outcome is the Knight of Wands. There's a final push, no? Resilience and perseverance. So, ibig sabihin dito, kailangan mo magtiyaga. Na may mga bagay na napapanahon at kailangan mo talaga mag-antay na pagkakataon. And of course, there's a Three of Cups. There's a celebrations. And of course, there's King of Pentacles. There's a secure about sa finances. Kailangan maging secure ka at pangawakan mo ang about sa finances mo. So, let's see what is the Love Oracle card. Ano mangula ka na ba? What is the Love Oracle card? There's a karmic relationship. Kaya pala, no? Kaya pala nagkakaroon ng dulot ng ano. At see, letting go and loving you. So, ganun talaga. So, ibig sabihin dito, mahal ka niya, kaso inubos niya ang ari-arian mo. So, ganun talaga, no? Kumbaga, naging trigger, or no? Talagang naan siya, kumbaga, sa karmic relationship kasi may mga pinagdadaanan yan about sa finances, sa relasyon, sa buhay, pag-ibig, at sa buhay, relasyon, at sa buhay, pera. No? Maaaring sinubukan, of course, there's a girl with a talk, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi dito na, living in the moment, kumbaga, mag-enjoy ka, having fun. Happy being single. So, may Cancerian single dito, or there's a single mom out there. Kaway-kaway, single mom. And of course, there's a boat. So, there's a moving on and closure issues. So, may mga bagay na makaka-move on ka na at dapat mo nang tapusin or kailangan mo na mag-close ng chapter dyan. And of course, magpanibago ka na ng cycle and of course, the horizon. No? Umpisa natin na for a union yung oracle card. See, and of course, there's an unexpected storm. See, sinubukan kang bayuhin, sinubukan kang pabagsakin, sinubukan kang sirain. So, yung sinasabi na storm, mayroong parang bagyo o unos na pumasok sa buhay mo. Diba? Isa lang ang sinasabi ng baraha. And of course, there's a contracts and career and commitment. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga, until death tears up as a part. So, ibig sabihin, may mga bagay na kailangan mong i-end. Yung i-end yung mga bagay-bagay katulad ng pagdating sa relasyon. Kung iba yung relasyon na yun hindi makakatulong sa'yo at nagbigay ng problema, carjacking mo na yan. No? And of course, there's an Ace of Earth. Some of you, Cancer, may kinalaman ka sa Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Baka yan ang person mo, no? So, and of course, there's a healing power of the deck. Magkakaroon ka raw ng healing in all aspects. So, what is Archangel Michael messages? What is Archangel Michael messages? And of course, there's your inner guidance. It's real and trustworthy. So, ibig sabihin yung gabay mo, no? Mapagkakatiwalaan mo daw yan. And of course, sinasabi dito, decide to be happy now. So, kailangan mo magdesisyon na magiging masaya ka na sa nangyari sa'yo from the past. Huwag ka mag-alala, makakabangon ka. Kasi there's a karma, there's a long-term success, and of course, there's a big opportunities. No, kailangan mo lang magdesisyon ngayon. Nothing will come of this situation. Walang mangyayari sa situation kung hindi ka magtiting ng action. And of course, you and your loved ones are safe. And a time to give rather than take. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan mo ng panahon at oras gumugol ulit para may balik ang kasaganahan mo. Additional messages. And of course, sinasabi dito, breath of the cosmos. So, some of you guys baga, ibibigay sa'yo yung mga bagay kung pasay talaga, no? My will to thy will. So, ibig sabihin dito talaga yung pagkakalob kung para talaga sa'yo. At karapat-dapat. And of course, you're not for everyone. Ibig sabihin dito, there's some of weirdness. So, some of you, no? Kumbaga, hindi ka flexible for everyone. So, let's see what is this energy. There's an anxiety. So, ibig sabihin talaga nagkakaroon ka ng depressions. And of course, stress ngayon. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a community. Kumaga, there's a circle of friends, no? Kailangan mo mag-unwind. Get out of your comfort zone. So, let's see what is additional messages. And of course, sinasabi dito, there is a fear. See? Kailangan mo alisin yung takot at pangamba mo, no? Kailangan magkaroon ka ng confident ulit. And of course, there is a denial. I-acknowledge mo yung fear, palitan mo yan ng awareness. Kailangan mo ka talaga maging aware na lang, no? Hindi mo kailangan matakot. Mag-iingat, oo. So, let's see what is additional messages. There is a self-expression movement. Kung hindi ka gagalaw, hindi ka kikilos, walang mangyayari, no? And of course, there is a sign. So, magkakaroon ka talaga ng kaliwanagan, no? And of course, a positive outcome. And of course, there is a stairs. Step by step and a perfect timing. And of course, there is a dolphin, kumbaga sinasabi dito ng enjoy your life for the fullest. Maging masaya ka. Kahit na alam mong manghirap-hirap maging masaya ka pa rin. Mas piliin mo pa rin maging masaya. So, let's see what is a chakra. Perseverance. I told you, di ba? Kailangan mo ng pagtsatsaga. And of course, there is a completion. So, hindi pa huli ang lahat. And rejections. No? Kailangan marunong ka rin humindi. Additional messages. And of course, there is a nutrition. Some of you, kailangan mo na masusustansya pagkain that because of stress. Baka bumababa yung immune system mo. And of course, nagkakaroon na imbalance ang iyong hormones. And of course, there is a music. Baka makakatulong ang music for your healing, no? Para magkaroon ng relief. Ma-relief yung stress mo. And give us your care. So, ibig sabihin dito, alisin mo yung takot at pangamba mo. Tuturo niya yung bagay na makakatulong sa'yo. What is the Jesus loving quotes? So, sinasabi dito, come to me, all you that labor heavy laden, and I will give you the rest. See? Ibigay mo kay God lahat ng mabibigat. No? Yung mga bagay na yan, ay pagkakaloob sa'yo at ibibigay sa'yo, at ipapagpapahinga ka niya. No? Ipapahingahin ka niya sa mga bagay na nagbigay sa'yo ng exhausted or talagang, kumbaga, loss of energy. So, what is the angel's number? There is a 5-5. I am evolving. So, sinasabi dito, substantial change is in your future. Embrace your change and near to overcome your insecurities. And of course, your insecurities and let go of your fears. Alisin mo daw yung takot at pangamba mo, no? And of course, sinasabi dito, kailangan mong baguhin yung mga bagay na nangyayari sa'yo. And of course, what is the messages of life? Return to the inner temple. Today I rediscover my inner self in sacred silence. This is the inner temple in which I am able to calmly study the lesson in life has provided me. Here I regain my sense of tranquility. I retrieve my trust in the universe, but in the light of the inner temple, I now remember the value of each and every step of my life. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumaga binabalik ka sa mga bagay na nangyari sa from the past. So, ibig sabihin dito, kumaga mga pinagdaanan mo kung paano ka bumangon, kung paano ka umangat. So, para pinapaalala sa'yo na, kumbaga, lahat ng mga bagay na pinagdaanan mo, kaya muli mo ulit maranasan, no? Baga sinasabi sa'yo dito, kailangan mong bumalik ulit sa umpisa para na sa ganon, matuto ka na sa lahat na mangyayari sa inarap na hindi ka na basta-basta magtitiwala at magpapaloko, no? At kailangan mo magkaroon ng security for your finances. So this is special gabay for the month of November 6 hanggang November 15 for the sign-off. Cancerian. Maraming salamat, Cancerian. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and notification bell for more videos of the update. And of course, comment down below, guys, ha. Maraming salamat sa walang safog support sa aking channel, lalo na hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo na just at may kapasiksik na gumapaw o manambalik sa inyong biyaya. Maraming salamat and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!